Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at vertebrates animal. Animals with backbones are called vertebrates. They have a bony skeleton under their skin and muscles which provide a strong framework that supports their body and help them move. They may look very different at first glance, but all vertebrate skeletons share some features such as a skull to protect the brain. Vertebrates are classified into 5 groups. Number 1, fish. The first vertebrate were fish. Most fish, including carps, have a hard bony skeleton. However, sharks and rays have a softer skeleton which is made of a flexible material called cartilage. Number 2, amphibians. These were the first 4-limbed vertebrates to walk on earth. Their skeleton are a mix of bone and cartilage. Some amphibians such as frogs are good at swimming and jumping. Number 3, birds. Birds have a special body that allow them to fly. Their arms have become wings and their skeleton has a strong but light bones, which makes flying easier. Only birds have feathers which keep them warm and help them fly. Number 4, reptiles. Reptiles have highly bendy backbones. Whether they have 4 legs like lizard or no legs like snakes, most reptiles are fast movers and efficient hunters. Number 5, mammals. Only mammals have a lower jaw that is hinged directly to the skull. They also have specialized teeth, which means that they can bite, grip, tear, cut, chew, and grind their food. The planet's largest animal belong to this group, including whale, elephant, and tigers. Thanks for watching.